I've always wanted to have my own study studio table, and so I grabbed this chance to build my own design that will be more comfortable to use. So here are the materials and tools that I used in this project. Day 1. So first I'm going to cut all the metals that I will use for the table stand. These are tubular steel and I'm using a cut-off saw to cut them more comfortably and efficiently. Now it's time to weld these steel tubing to build the stand of my study table. Welding tubular steel is no easy job. You gotta know where to tuck weld and fully weld them without warping the steel. Day 2. Doing full weld on my assembled stand for the table. At night, I started wood burning my little family's signature on the best spot of the wood. Wood burning, also known as pyrography, is a freehand art of decorating wood with burn marks. This is also known as writing with fire. Day 3. It's time to apply primer paint on the assembled steel as a protective coating that prevents rust formation on the surfaces exposed to humidity and air. While waiting for the primer coat to dry, I started working on the surfaced wood that I bought from a furniture, just cutting the needed length using this circular saw. After sawing all the wood, primer paint on the stand is now dry and ready for the metal paint. Now let's go back to the wood and sand off all the rough edges and rough surfaces and even out the sides ready for a perfect fit. Part of the surface preparation is wood repair with epoxy sealant. Make sure to use an epoxy for wood and give it enough time to cure before the final sanding. Day 4. Before we assemble our table, we need to drill holes on the steel tubing as passage for the screw into the wood. I used wood screw on this one since it's the wood that will hold the screw with the steel in between. Well, here, just making sure that I clean and sand off the excess epoxy seal on the wood before I apply the varnish. Now off to the finishing process, let's use mahogany varnish on the wood. Then we let it dry for a few hours. Finally, I now have my very own study studio table.